Alright, let me ask you a question. How do you know if a machine is truly intelligent? Is it when it acts like a human, or is it when it makes the best, most logical decisions, even if they seem, well, less human? This is where the two big ideas come in, thinking humanly and thinking rationally. Now, these aren't just fancy buzzwords. They're actually how researchers measure and debate what makes AI, well, intelligent. Let's start with thinking humanly. Imagine an AI that tries to mimic human thought processes. We're talking about machines that don't just give answers. They reason, make mistakes, and sometimes even surprise us with weird logic, just like people. Take chatbots, for example. The best ones pass the Turing test by sounding human in conversation. If you've ever chatted with an AI and found yourself unsure whether it's a person or a program, that's thinking humanly in action. But here's the thing. Humans aren't always rational. We make decisions based on emotions, gut feelings, or even just a bad mood. So, if AI copies us too closely, it'll pick up those flaws too. Now let's flip the script and talk about thinking rationally. This is all about logical reasoning. In other words, given all the facts, an AI finds the best possible solution, no matter what. Chess engines are a perfect example. They don't get nervous or distracted. They just calculate millions of moves ahead and pick the smartest one. In this view, intelligence is about perfection, not personality. But let's be honest, sometimes life isn't just about logic. If an AI only thinks rationally, it might make decisions that humans see as cold or even odd. Imagine an AI in healthcare suggesting treatments that are mathematically optimal, but ignore a patient's emotions or unique preferences. So, which is better, thinking humanly or thinking rationally? Honestly, it depends on what you're looking for. If you want a personal assistant that understands your jokes and quirks, human-like thinking is key. But if you need a financial advisor to crunch numbers without bias, rational thinking wins. Personally, I think the future is about combining the best of both worlds. As AI gets smarter, it'll need to balance empathy with logic, making decisions that are not just smart, but also feel right to us. So next time you're chatting with a digital assistant or watching an AI beat a chess grandmaster, ask yourself, is this machine thinking like a human, or is it thinking like a genius? That's the heart of AI intelligence.